Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a borderless text box in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then you have open your Google Docs document. Then select the text box and go to the edit option. Now select the text box and go to the border white option. Now click this and click on PX. Then select the text box and border color is choose the white. Then click save and close. Now here we can see create a borderless text box in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.